everybody, my name is Ashley and I'm part of the Sustain SU at the University of Alberta. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about sustainability and what you can do to help out. Before we can help though, we have to learn what sustainability is all about. So you know that there were people that came before you, your parents, your grandparents, their grandparents, and people before that. But there will also be people that come after you, your kids, your grandkids, their grandkids, and people after that. And that's what sustainability is about, the people after us. To be sustainable, you would be using the resources that you need, but also leaving enough resources for the people after us and their needs as well. Think of it this way. If you did something that was helpful for the earth, that would help it to provide resources for the next generations, that would be like gaining points for the earth. But if you did something harmful to the earth, that wouldn't be gaining any points at all. To figure out how many points you're earning and how you can earn more, fill out your worksheet throughout this video and then total up your points at the end. Enjoy!
Here's our friend Megan, and it looks like she's cutting up some fresh veggies. However, before she can eat her vegetables, she has to clean up her food scraps. What is she going to do? Do you think Megan should A, throw her food scraps into the garbage, or B, throw her food scraps into the compost bin? Be sure to mark your selection down on your worksheet. It looks like Megan chose to compost her scraps. That means she gained points for the earth.
Composting is one of the easiest ways to help our planet. By composting, we are decreasing the amount of waste from our house that goes into the landfill. At the landfill, this waste is processed and releases harmful toxins into our atmosphere. These toxins do not help gain points for our earth. If we avoid doing this, no bad toxins are released when composting, so we can assure less harm for the earth overall, and less waste will end up in our oceans that might hurt our little turtles.
This is Janelle. She's planning on watering her garden today. She has two choices. Should she A, turn on the tap, or B, use a rain barrel? It seems like Janelle chose the rain barrel. That means 5 more points for the earth. Way to go!
Runoff is when water runs along the ground and collects pollutants, like fertilizer and pesticides. This is bad for the environment and can harm fragile ecosystems. In a process called biomagnification, small animals eat these pollutants and then their predators eat them. This means that the amount of pollutants in the animals increases at each level of the food chain, which can harm the whole ecosystem. By using rain barrels, we can help lower our contribution to runoff, as rather than the rain running along the ground and collecting pollutants, we can collect it in rain barrels instead. Rainwater is also healthier for your plants than tap water, as rain has many good nutrients like nitrogen, which help your plants grow.
Here's Megan again, and it seems like she's going somewhere in her car. She has everything she needs: her purse, keys, phone, mask, and wait. What is Megan missing? Is Megan missing A, her dog, or B, her friends? It looks like Megan was missing her friends. Now they can all drive together, which we call carpooling. Again, Megan has gained more points for the earth.
Carpooling is a great way to help our planet out. Who wouldn't want a good excuse to ride with as many friends as possible to benefit our planet? Even if you were to only share a ride with one other person, but for one whole year to and from school, you could save 893 kilograms of greenhouse gas emissions. That's a lot. It's around the same weight as a leatherback turtle, the largest turtles on our Earth. That's about 20 times the size of a 10-year-old. So you can see why carpooling makes such a large difference for our environment.
This is Melody. She has a basket of laundry that needs to be washed, but before doing so, she needs to choose the washing machine's water temperature. Looking at the 3 choices she has, which option will earn the most points for the earth? A, cold water, B, warm water, or C, hot water? It looks like Melody decided to go with cold water. Good job, Melody. You've earned more points for the earth.
Washing your clothes in cold water is one of the easiest ways to be sustainable. In fact, the U.S. Department of Energy recommends clothes to be washed in cold water whenever possible. Cold water washes will not only protect your clothes, or your favorite t-shirt from getting hurt, it will also protect our wastewater system from the bad fibers that comes off from our clothes. Studies have shown that families that switch from hot washes to cold washes can save up to $40 a year. $40? That's a lot of candy!
Jaslyn is about to brush her teeth. She turns on the tap to wet her brush and applies toothpaste. What should she do now? A. Brush her teeth. B. Turn off the tap and then brush her teeth. Looks like Jaslyn turned off the tap before brushing her teeth. 5 points for the earth.
Did you know you can save up to 8 gallons of water per day just by turning off the tap when you brush your teeth? If you did this for 1 year, you would save up to 64 bathtubs of water. This act helps to conserve energy and reduce carbon pollution, which all around is a great thing for our planet.
Here's our friend Melody again. And look, her laundry is done now. What should she do with the wet laundry? A. Put it into the dryer. B. Hang dry the laundry. It looks like Melody decided to hang them up. Way to go, Melody. You have both done your laundry sustainably and earned more points for the earth.
Air drying your clothes can reduce a family's carbon footprint by 2,400 pounds. It also saves you a lot of money, time, and energy. When you're running between errands, extra time and extra money means an extra fun play date with your friends next time. Aren't you excited for that? In addition to that, it is a lot safer to air dry your clothes. Did you know that more than 15,000 cases of fire are caused by machine dryers? So, hang your clothes next time to dry whenever possible. Thank you very much.
Jaslyn is hungry and looking for a snack. She's trying to make her food choices more sustainable. Yesterday, she had some pepperoni sticks as a snack. What should she have today? A. Hummus and veggies. B. A tuna melt. Today, Jaslyn chose hummus and veggies for a snack, earning 5 more points for the earth.
Farming animals releases a lot of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming. It generates about 14.5% of greenhouse gas emissions globally, which is greater than the emissions from all transportation on Earth combined. By eating only one meatless meal a week, you can save the emissions of driving a car for 1,860 kilometers. Not only that, but you would save up to 133 gallons of water, which is 3 bathtubs full. Now that's a lot if you ask me. Cutting back on meat intake and replacing it with plant-based protein is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint, and a great way to be friendlier to our planet.
And that concludes the video. Now is the time to add up the points on your worksheet to figure out how sustainable you are and what you could do to improve. We've shown you many green habits throughout the course of the video that you can put into your own daily life. But there's no limit to how sustainable you can be. You can come up with your own green solutions, ask your parents or your friends, or even look online to find ways to be more sustainable. One of these great online resources is the Future Energy Systems website. It's a part of the University of Alberta, and Future Energy Systems researchers try to find ways to make our energy more sustainable. For students like you, they've got videos, experiments, and quizzes to help you learn and test your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today, and we hope that you can put your points to good use for the Earth, both today and tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching Future Energy Systems video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Check out the links below to our website and learning page where you can find activities, learning extension, and more. You can also sign up on the website for notifications for future videos and interactive opportunities. There's so much to learn as we explore our energy future.